Hello cyclists, I'm super excited because I'm at the airport on the way to Sicily, to Italy, because there are some really cool, very exciting news from Noko. So stay tuned. People, we're here, super excited and stoked to see who's Noko. What are they going to present today? So let's go. Noko, which is actually a pretty young brand, founded in 2021. But it's located in Italy, actually on Sicily, a beautiful island. So if you're outside this hall, you will see the volcano, the Mount Etna. But it's quite interesting what Noko did. They started with one model, but over the last 3 years, they established a new range. And it's urban, city and gravel. And what all combines those products is like the Italian soul, the performance, the design and the quality. You feel like every value of this brand combined in those bicycles. And which is quite interesting that the company behind the brand Noko actually was founded in the 60s. And it's a family business, it's still a family business. And they are like experts in the mobility, in the automotive sector, but in the mobility industry. And we had a really deep insight into the core values of this brand, and now we are going to test ride the new products. What I found quite interesting is that Noko actually listened a lot to the feedback of the customers, and they integrated the customers into new models, so into new products, which is pretty clever if you ask me. I just love the beautiful design because due to the integrated battery again and the mono motor, it's just so slim, so sleek. And this bicycle is really, it's design-wise very huge, I'd say. Different, new to Noko, I would definitely say. And what I really appreciate and what I really love is that the lights are integrated in the handlebars and also into the frame and the rear. Looks like a perfect companion if you commute, but if you also want to do some tours, because it has a full suspension in the front fork. You can take out the battery so you're independent. And I mean, it's heavy, it looks like a heavy bike, but due to the super powerful attention middle motor, it's just insane. Noko. So the brand Noko has different categories. So there's urban, there's city, and there's gravel. And this one is a very new model. It's the light. And it has the new own-produced components from the sub-brand Granita, and as you can see, they have an own battery system. And due to this fact, the bicycle is super lightweight, and what I really like is the design. They have a very special individual design, as you can see. And the Magma. Of course, this is an island and the volcano is just down there. And Magma, of course, reflects the heritage of the brand. And this bicycle, the Magma, is not only very beautiful, as you can see the design. I love the frame. It's made from carbon fiber, so super lightweight, but also very, very stable. And I definitely can recommend, have a closer look at the new website, but then you can see that you can individualize this beauty. The Smart, as you can see, a very different frame geometry, more female-oriented or unisex, and also the new Granita accessories and parts. And as you probably know, I'm a big fan of belt drives, especially if you commute a lot in the city, and there's a carbon fiber belt drive. I love it, no grease, no oil, and it lasts up to 3 times longer than a regular chain. So, love it, Noko. The Blaze. As you can see, it's a monster. You see the full suspension in the front, you have a battery that can be taken out, and a very powerful middle motor. Also, what I love is the integrated headlight and the rear light integrated into the frame. So if you want to do like commuting, but also some touring and go even a little off-road, the Blaze could be a very interesting option for you. And the flagship bike, the Extreme, which is customizable, and you have so many volcano-inspired details that you can choose from. So there is magma in red, there is gold, because obviously there is a gold reserve within the Etna, the volcano just around the corner, and it is a performance bike. It's made from carbon fiber and weighs not even 13 kilograms, and it is a true beauty if you ask me. It was a really cool experience here to learn more about the brand, to get to know the people behind the brand and really dive into their values. And now I get it even more when I ride a Noko bike. I feel the passion and I feel all the heart that got into their products. So I really enjoyed my time here, and I definitely love even more the bikes from Noko.